Exness Trader – How to register and create an account. To begin, download Exness Trader from Google Play or the App Store. If you are a new user and have not registered a personal area on our website, click Register and follow these steps. Select the country where your mobile phone is registered, enter your phone number, and click on Continue. Enter your email address and create a password for your personal area. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, including numbers and lower and uppercase letters. You will use this email and password to access your personal area from the web or app. Then click Verify. Next, enter the verification code you receive via SMS. After this, enter the verification code you receive via email. After completing these steps, your personal area will have been created. Additional verification steps may apply. Choose your account currency. You will be given 2 options, Fund My Account and Not Now. If you select Not Now, you will be able to create a demo account and start demo trading. If you select Fund My Account, you will select a payment method to make a deposit. The next step is to create your trading account. Additional verification steps may apply. To create a new real account, swipe right on Accounts and click Create New Account. First, choose a mini or classic account. Then select your currency and set your leverage. Select Create Password to create your trading password. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, including numbers and lower and uppercase letters. Keep your password safe as you will not receive it via email. Click Create Account. You have now created your trading account. Demo trading is available without registration. Click Start Demo to start trading in the Exness terminal. Funds can be increased in fixed increments of $2,000. If you require any assistance, you can reach us by phone, live chat, or email. Our contact information can be found in your profile. Additionally, live chat is available from any screen simply by clicking the chat icon located in the top right corner. If you click on the X button while in the chat, you will have 2 options: End Chat Session or Hide Chat for now. That's all for now. Thank you for choosing Exness.